Hello folks, welcome to my model kit review of the Mitsubishi A6M2 Zero. This is a model kit by Airfix. This is in 1:72 scale. This kit I finished a good while ago actually. I'd say it is my fourth aircraft I've now built. This kit was built in combination of acrylic and enamel. This is my first airplane using the combination of acrylic and enamel. This, however, is the last kit where I would use artists. Actually, let me show you the actual color. Okay, this is the actual paint that I used for this kit, and I just mixed a combination of blue and white. I'm just moving my chair across. This kit was absolutely fantastic to build. I really like this kit, and even though I didn't do any crazy advanced techniques, I didn't do any panel line washing or anything, that decal is actually very crooked. I only just noticed that now, but anyway. This kit, I think, was absolutely fantastic. It was so much fun to build. Although this would be the last time I would use that sort of makeshift homemade paint. After that, I'd be just using the branded Humbrol or enamel paint. But I still think it's an absolutely fantastic kit. This kit I would 100% recommend for beginners. Except maybe for one thing, the paint scheme. There's like a wave effect, and maybe some people might struggle with that. I don't know. I know I could have done a little bit better, but I still think it holds up in my collection so far, and I think it will for a very long time. If you're a more advanced modeler, I say you would probably really enjoy this kit as well. The paints, I would suggest get the branded paint because we're trying to do or makeshift your own paint. It took me a long time to get this color correct, and even it still looks a tiny bit off. So I would suggest just getting the branded paint to make things easier. But all in all, I think it's an absolutely fantastic model. A great collection of World War II aircraft. I was gathering at least an example of one fighter plane from each front of World War II, and I thought by using the Imperial Japanese Navy I would build the A6M2, and I thought that was really nice. If I were to rebuild this kit again, I'd like to build it in white, because I think this plane in white looks so much better than the green variant. And it's actually more like a marine blue, but or a marine green rather. But all in all, I think it was an absolutely fantastic kit. I definitely recommend anybody who's interested in this kit to definitely give it a go. One thing to note, of course, the prop does not move. Not all Airfix kits are like that, but that is just something to be aware of. But all in all, it's not that complicated of a kit to build. It's extremely fun. Alright folks, hopefully you guys enjoyed this short little review. Hopefully you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.